Enterprise zones in Wales is a means of focusing public sector investment to create the conditions for businesses to invest in the area. The Welsh Government has designated 2 sites in Snowdonia with enterprise zone status, Llanbedr airfield and also Trawsfynydd, the former nuclear power station site.
We're located here in the middle of the Snowdonia National Park. It's home to some prime engineering companies, and there are others of businesses associated with energy development, energy production and so on. The Trawsfynydd site itself is very near the A470, the main thoroughfare between North and South Wales. Anglesey Airport is within easy reach, and from there you can be in 40 minutes, you can be down in the centre of Cardiff, and we're also within about 50 miles of Holyhead. The Trawsfynydd site is approximately 50 hectares in site, about 120 acres. Site an old power station, and it's really sort of well versed in terms of infrastructure, ideal really from a low carbon energy development perspective. Excellent sort of cooling facilities. The Trawsfynydd Lake nearby is well over 1,000 acres in terms of, surface area. There's nationally significant grid infrastructure located here as well. Because of the grid infrastructure and also the local electrical infrastructure, it's also an ideal site for potential ICT related developments. In addition, the Welsh Government is bringing in next generation broadband into the area. The green energy infrastructure and network in the locality is excellent. The major Dinorwig electricity pump storage scheme near Snowdon, which is quite near here, as is the Tanagrisha pump storage scheme. And of course, associated with the lake, we've got the Mae Ardal power station, which generates 30 megawatts of hydroelectricity. The locality of the site, midway between Bangor and Aberystwyth, means that it's ideally located for taking advantage of key academic skill sets and knowledge transfer opportunities between those 2 universities. The site is also quite close to the Centre for Alternative Technology and the CAT expertise in renewable energies as well.
The Llanbedr site is an ex-military facility. It's on the coast. It's a home already to a number of businesses. There are 3 runways on the site. It has a hangar facility. There is a dedicated air traffic control centre and also a security compound. The site has the capacity to increase Wales's unmanned aerial systems capacity significantly. We're looking to target existing businesses wanting to expand, or to target businesses within the UAS sector and related sectors to Wales wanting to invest and develop. There will be direct access to key decision makers in Welsh Government and also a package of business support. There is a business rates scheme. In addition, we're hoping to be able to support businesses with the training of their staff, and we will ensure that there will be strong linkages with universities in the region.
All in all, it's a very rounded and positive package for businesses.